Hello and thank you for trusting our detector. Today I'm going to explain where cameras, microphones and GPS are usually hidden. And stay until the end because I'm going to show you the weirdest and most unexpected hiding places where hidden cameras have been placed. First, let's look at cameras that emit an RF signal, but don't worry because it's very easy to understand. When a camera sends video or data via Wi-Fi, Bluetooth or wireless signals, your detector picks it up. It's that simple. The most common places where they're hidden are smoke detectors, USB chargers, alarm clocks, lamps, power strips, and air conditioners. Alright, now let's look at cameras that don't emit a signal. These don't transmit anything, they only record in silence. With your detector's infrared viewfinder, you can see the lens reflection. The most typical hiding places for these silent cameras are photo frames, books or decor, mirrors or fake windows, fake buttons or screws, stuffed animals or artificial plants. Just shine the viewfinder and if you see a bright spot, bingo, there you have it. Now let's move on to hidden microphones. These can be the most invasive because they record your most personal conversations without you noticing. And the worst part is, they're usually in objects you'd never suspect. These objects could be of all kinds. Among them, we have chargers, fake USB cables, speakers, plugs, spy pens, and they've even been seen in nightstands. The important thing here is that your detector identifies it by its small emissions or internal components. So pass the device near these objects, and if something doesn't fit, it will let you know. Now let's go with the GPS. These are small, magnetic, and are usually hidden in backpacks, cars, or even metal surfaces where they go completely unnoticed. There's little to explain here. You can find them on the undercarriage of a car, backpacks, bicycles, and objects of this style. To find them, simply pass your detector over the metal areas, and if there's a hidden GPS, your detector will find it. And now, once you've discovered these places, let's explain the weirdest hiding spots that have been seen in real cases. And we're talking about places where most people would never look. So get ready, because cameras have actually been hidden in places such as light bulbs and ceiling lamps, locks and doorknobs, clothing buttons and decorative brooches, large decorative objects, and even a piano, as well as plants, vases and pots, and even portable speakers or chargers that look completely normal. But the important thing about all this is that now you know how to detect them and your privacy is back in your hands. Thank you for trusting us.